Hi everyone, welcome to Python tutorial. In this video, we will go over the steps to set up a development environment for Python on our computer, which will allow us to write, test, and debug our code in a consistent and organized manner. So the first step in setting up a development environment for Python is to install the Python software. Let's go ahead and we can install the Python software from its official website python.org. We can download the latest version for any operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So I will go install the Python software from here. You can just simply follow the instruction provided by your operating system or the Python software. So once it's installed the Python software, we can verify that is working by opening a command prompt or a terminal for the Mac which is using. You can use on your Windows command prompt or bash command prompt. Let me make a little bigger screen and I will write now python dash version, and you can see here 3.10.3 it's asking that is already installed. The second step is how you will be install additional libraries. So it's very simple and it's very easy, the similar like npm. So we have command for Python is pip, npm has npm, and then we say install and the library names or framework name. So the same where Python is representing by pip. So let's see, we can say pip install numpy, and when we enter and it's get installed. So now you can see here successfully installed numpy. The same way we can uninstall, just to say pip uninstall and the library names, and it will be uninstall your applications. Now the fourth step is how we can work. So we will be using Visual Studio Code throughout the course. I will open the project file first. So for example, if I create it or not, I'm not sure. Let's create a new folder, Python tutorial. Okay, and I will open this folder and create another file. I will say so app.py. The extension is called py, like the JavaScript has a JS, HTML has a HTML, and CSS have a .css. Same way Python represented by py as Python. Another simple thing for testing, we will just say print. So print we can say for now similarly to the console log in JavaScript. So like the way we representing console log and asking anything to do, same way Python is doing print and things. So now if I run this program, now you can see here, let me little bit, we can see here thanks. Okay, another command I can say print, sorry, not here, I will write here one variable age 25, and again I will say print age, and I will multiply here by 5. Okay, now if I again run, you can run like this Python, you can represent by python.py and hit enter, and it will say now you can see here 125. So age 25 into 5 is 25. We will discuss later how we can declare variables and data types in Python in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel for the next video.